of work goes into these videos. Look at this design, huh? Look at this back wall that I do for everyone. Got the invoice. So, 60 quid for the Nike and Adidas, 40 quid for the graphic tees, and 30 quid for the Disney tees. So, Nikes and Adidas's £2 a piece, vintage graphic tees £2 a piece, Disney £3 a piece. Oh, expensive Disney. So hopefully Disney's going to save us, because you can't really go wrong with Disney. Like, everyone loves a bit of Disney, don't they? I don't know what my favourite character is. Like, I think Winnie the Pooh, probably. He's Disney, isn't he? Gotta love a Mickey Mouse as well. And that is the first t-shirt of the day. Baby blue, Mickey Mouse. Can't go wrong with that. Happy Mickey as well. We love a happy Mickey. Oh, hello. Oh, that is sick. If this doesn't say Hippie Festival, I don't know what does. Epic love. And it's Mickey and Minnie kissing on a pink t-shirt with like multicoloured letters. That's pretty cool. Oh, turquoise. We don't normally get turquoise. And Disney has gone like hippie. Look at this. Baby blue turquoise hippie Mickey Mouse. I need to practice that, don't I? I used to be a barman, believe it or not. I was barman before lockdown, and now I can't even catch a t-shirt. Now I can. Oh, brown. If I print on brown or maroon. Just a basic Mickey tee. Looks like every single one of these t-shirts in here contains a Mickey Mouse t-shirt of some description. Oh yes, I love it when it's different collar, like different coloured collar. Like, I love this. Like, I love the big printed ones with like a thick crew neck. There's a crew neck, I think. Can't see the size on that though. It looks like an XL. But I love that. I love baby blue, and I love thick collared crew necks like this, like jagged edges and stuff. That's my favourite t-shirt. Believe it or not, Donald Duck t-shirt. Out of 50 t-shirts, has been my favourite t-shirt. Shows a failed purchase. Oh, I thought it was an all over print top then. I like that. I like it a lot. It's got, who's it got? I'm really bad with names. Pluto the dog, I think. Mickey, Donald Duck. Oh, there's two dogs. Pluto, Goofy the dog. Pluto's his pet, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Right, I'm not being funny. Since when is that Disney? Huh? Oh yeah. Fucking Winnie the Pooh and Iron Man hanging out. That is not Disney. I stand corrected. Disney Store, Marvel. I'm guessing Disney and Marvel. Damn, Disney is an empire, isn't it? They own Marvel. The hell is this? Damn, talk about patriotic again. You Americans love claiming things. Why? Oh wait, is that? That is confusing. That's half Union Jack, half American flag. Sorry Americans, we also like claiming things. We're just awful people really, aren't we? All of us. America, UK, we're just awful. Last but not least, taking a Mickey, and it's like a thick grey t-shirt. I quite like that. Again, £3 a t-shirt. It's just stock fillers, really. Eventually, when I get paid again, guys, my mum's going to kill me for stocking up this house with clothes. But eventually, when I get paid again, I'm gonna buy some like sick stock. I'm just gonna fork out. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go like $1,000 in, get some sweatshirts, get some just decent resellable things instead of £10, £15 t-shirts. I want £100 sweatshirts instead. But yeah, that is it for 3 videos. Hope you've watched them all. Click the like, subscribe if you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time I mess up some clothes or buy some already messed up clothes. I've got into making bucket hats at the minute, so I might show you how to make a bucket hat from a t-shirt, and I don't even know how to do that yet, so I'm going to learn how to, and then I'll show you me making a bucket hat, I think. Yeah. Bye for now. Catch you next time.